What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tower fans in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We say check out the Seville Classics UltraSlimline, also known as the best value tower fan on the market in 2023. Affordable, well-designed, and packed with features, the Seville Classics UltraSlimline is efficient in distributing air in large rooms. You'll get the best of both worlds with the Seville Classics Tour Fan. The oscillating tower fan is perfect for the office, bedroom, or any other room that needs a breeze. It's equipped with 4 ultra-quiet speed settings: high, medium, and low, and eco-friendly that'll keep you cool and comfortable in hot, humid weather. Oscillation provides 75 degrees of coverage, while you can adjust the fan using the included LCD remote control and timer functions. This device offers a refined, slim profile with a satin black finish and an attractive silver steel entry grille. The compact UltraSlimline has a footprint of less than 1 square foot and takes up little floor space. The device will always bring freshness to your space using the 17-inch fan. Designed to be lightweight and compact, this personal fan can easily fit into any workstation such as an office, study, dorm, office, kitchen, or garage. With 3 speed settings, optional time selection, 1, 2, or 4 hours, and oscillation, you can adjust the unit for the perfect breeze. Regardless of the flow rate setting, you can be sure that the device is quiet. You have a normal chat with someone without having to raise your voice if this fan is running at full speed. In addition, the device has a remote control. You can use this remote control up to a range of 4.6 meters. The remote control can be attached to a practical clip on the back of the device. The Seville Classics UltraSlimline weighs 10.7 pounds but is quite portable. And finally, we'll mention that it comes in black and has the size of 11 by 11.25 by 40 inches. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Look no further than the Dreo Pilot Max, which in our opinion is the best tower fan for large rooms available on the market in 2023. Get ready for intense cooling with the Dreo Pilot Max tower fan. You've seen tower fans before, but few can deliver as much light and power as the Pilot Max. This new model is the pinnacle of the Dreo series of tower fans, and with careful consideration of its capabilities, clearly deserves this title. This tower fan takes up minimal space, allowing it to fit easily in the corner of your room out of the way. But with its wide oscillation range of 120 degrees and powerful airflow, it's ready to help you cool down even in large rooms. At the heart of the Dreo Pilot Max is a 42-inch turbine fan that's been brilliantly designed to efficiently maximize airflow and reduce noise levels. The fan is so powerful that it can move up to 1,475 cubic feet of air per minute and blow that air out at 26 feet per second. It can reach up to 32 feet. With 12 different speed settings, you'll be able to adjust the fan to the appropriate level for your comfort. With all that power, you might expect a lot of noise, but the turbine blades and brushless DC motor that turns the fan are designed with noise in mind. The engine will run at a quiet level while the turbine pushes tons of air with reduced turbulence that keeps noise levels to a maximum of 48 decibels, and you can see them drop as much as 25 decibels for a comfortable sleep volume. With a modern design and features to suit your lifestyle, the Dreo Pilot Max is a smart home addition. But with its small workforce, it can also be a smart choice for your budget. Sufficient airflow can make a big difference in the hot summer months, and you may find that turning off the air conditioner is enough. The fan can also operate in automatic mode, which will adjust speeds based on room temperature, so it won't continue to run at full speed if temperatures drop at night. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Which in our opinion is the best splurge tower fan available on the market in 2023. Dyson is a reference brand in the world of bladeless fans. Their models have a very modern aesthetic, quality materials, and are very durable and very efficient in their functions. The Dyson PureCool works both as a fan and as a purifier, in addition to many features that make it easy to use. Dyson claims the PureCool automatically detects particles and gases, capturing 99.95% of ultrafine particles, then blows purified air around the room. It has an on-body display that shows different levels of contamination, as well as humidity, temperature, and when filters need to be replaced. This is useful if you live in a place with a lot of pollution or if you suffer from allergies. The purifier can also be used without a fan, so it's useful all year round, and its high price compensates for use outside the summer season. This model's fan function projects purified air and delivers more than 0.3 cubic meters of air per second in a smooth yet powerful flow. It also oscillates up to 350 degrees to direct airflow where you need it. It has a remote control in the Dyson Link app, which is used to set timers, monitor air quality, and set different routines depending on the room the fan is in. In addition, it is compatible with Alexa and can be controlled by device. The Dyson PureCool has a color screen in its bottom which, among other functions, tells us what the air quality is via its sensors. By simply spreading a chemical cleaning product nearby, it's able to immediately detect that substance that can be harmful if we inhale it. The Dyson PureCool Tower Fan Purifier detects pollutants and harmful gases before capturing particles down to 0.1 micron in its fiberglass HEPA filter. It then projects purified air around the room using air multiplier technology, while diagnosing and reporting its findings in real time. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The next product on our review list for which we can safely say is the best tower fan for sleeping available on the market in 2023. Using less energy to stay cooler is what many homeowners strive for, and the Dreo Nomad 1 tower fan could be the right answer for you and your family. This fan cools the area around you just the way you want it. This is a compact model that packs a powerful performance. It'll fit into your budget and your home with almost no dusting time. Built to fit almost anywhere you put it, it measures 36 inches and features an all-in-one airflow system. This system combines air accelerating blades and a compressor motor to provide the fastest cooling. Delivers cooling air up to 24 feet per second to cool faster. The motor speed is 1350 RPM to help you increase the area faster. The Dreo Nomad 1 is lightweight, so whenever you need to move it around the house, it's easy. The rear grille and impeller wheel are easily removed, giving you better access to any dust or dirt that may accumulate. You can rinse the filters and reattach them without any problems. It takes almost no time to do it. As powerful as the tower fan is, it's barely noticeable when it comes to noise. It helps promote the sense of calm you've been looking for that comes with cooler temperatures. The fine-tuned electric motor of the impeller cancels noise, so it's quiet. This will register only 34 decibels of noise and dampen vibrations. It's also impressively low maintenance. Using the Dreo Nomad 1 tower fan is easy. It has plenty of features and ambient intelligence, so the fan speed will adjust to the temperature around it. It can oscillate 90 degrees, helping that cool air reach more places. There are 4 modes and 4 speeds you can set it to, giving you flexibility for your use. There's also a handy on-off timer that you can set in 1 to 8 hour increments. This allows you to control the settings even if you're not at home. The screen automatically turns off after 60 seconds, saving energy and in turn more money on your energy bill. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, which justifiably went to the Lasko Windcurve T42951. This model will make you sleep like a baby at night because of the great air it emits. A large vertical arrangement provides air economically, so instead of concentrating the flow in a focused area, it creates a curtain that can sweep across the entire room. The 3X tower fan has many operating modes to keep things just right, as well as a night mode to reduce noise levels and create a relaxing atmosphere. Pair it with a timer and you'll be cozy all night long. Plus, it's powerful enough to provide perfect airflow in the room. Also, the fan is very quiet as well as extremely easy to assemble and handle. Additionally, it has an automatic shut-off timer function that you can program. Also, you get a remote control that you can use. The Lasko Portable Electric Oscillating Tower Fan is 42.5 inches tall with a marble face and gray body. The sturdy plastic base mounts easily with a Phillips screwdriver and occupies a 13 by 13 inch floor space. This sleek, space-saving upright design allows you to place the fan in tight spaces where pedestal and box fans can't, without sacrificing air circulation, comfort, or style. The fan is portable and easy to operate and comes with a remote control, optional oscillation, a programmable 7.5-hour timer, and a night setting that automatically darkens the control screen. If you live in the heat with no central air, the window air conditioner does a poor job of moving air through your apartment or home, and window air conditioners do a poor job of moving air throughout your apartment or home, this fan creates outstanding airflow that keeps you feeling cooler and more comfortable. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best tower fans in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.